Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jill and I like to share different beauties, tips, tricks, and more, and some products and features from Mary Kay. And in this video, I'm going to show you the new winter products that just arrived for Mary Kay for the 2021-2022 season. So that means we have a brand new catalog again, and it's going to list all these great products in here for you and tell you a little bit more information about it. This is also available virtually on my website if you want to take a look at it. But let's get to the fun part and do a little of the unboxing. So I've got my new box here, and of course I went ahead and took all those peanuts out because trying to find the products and get through the peanuts is always quite a chore. So they are already taken out, and I am going to show you what the new winter products are. Super exciting. So one of the new things that we have, not a new product to us, but it's differently formulated. And this is our Silky Setting Powder, and it's going to adjust to your complexion. You can use this alone, or you can use it over top or with CC cream or your foundation, a nice setting one. I will probably do another video with more details about this and lots of different colors to fit your skin tone. So that is one of the new products that we have. Another fun thing, these are not new products, but if you order the Replenishing C&E Cream, which of course I'll also be doing a video on this, or you get the Time Wise Repair, and it's got to be the Volume Firm Advanced Lifting Cream. So I will take that out of here for you to show you what that looks like. So if you order either one of these products during the winter catalog season, you are going to get a free Rose Quartz Roller Brush, which is super nice and super stimulating for your face. And it comes in like a nice little pink pouch you can keep it in. I haven't even opened it all of the way yet, as you can see. But you take that out and you basically just rub that all over your face. So that makes a nice little gift-giving gift as well. Don't you love the little things that I come up with? And I know there's probably some of you thinking, why is that girl wearing a winter hat when she lives in Florida? Yes, I am sweating right now for the sake of this video to make a winter video because I thought it went with the theme. So I literally have a sweater on and a hat in my air-conditioned house, and it's like 80-some degrees outside. So, but all for effect of the video, right? Something else fun is we have some of our lovely scents back. This one is called Blush, and I will take that out to let you see what this little bottle looks like. So pretty. I love all of the Mary Kay scents. It smells so good. Has some sandalwood, Bulgarian rose in this one. Absolutely delightful. And we even have a second one, and this one is called Velvet, which I like this one as well. It has pear, jasmine, and Madagascar vanilla in it. So it has a really unique smell, really nice. And I'm big for floral scents, like that's one of my favorite. So this smells really good. I have too many favorites, that's my problem. As you can see, I started selling Mary Kay because I love their products and the quality of their products so much. But I'm a makeup lover all the way around. I love all different types of makeup. And I do like to say that because everybody offers something different. Just like men and their tools. You know, they love their tools, they gotta have their tools, but they have them from all different brands and so forth. And they enjoy them just as much. So the last two items that are brand new, and these are really cool. These are pH Balance Lip Balms, you guys. So they are going to change to a light color based on your pH. So one looks like it's almost clear, and then when it's on your skin, it can tend to come out like a pinkish, a light pink. So I'm going to just try a little bit on my hand right here, and I'm going to put this one by my knuckles. So you see right now it is extremely light. We'll let that go for a second. Put the lid back on. And then the other one is called Berry. And this is supposed to get more like a berry or a rose scent. Or not scent, I'm sorry, color. You can see it looks very, very purple in the tube. I'm going to put that behind the other one and rub that on my skin. So that one has a little bit more pigment. But if you can see the first one already from when I just put it on is starting to get like a lighter shade of pink or darker shade of pink, I should say, because you couldn't see it when it first came on. These are super nourishing. Your lips are absolutely going to love them, especially for the winter months. So it's interesting to see what shade they will be. And of course, it'll look a little different on your lips as well, depending on the pigment on your lips. So that is all of our new products. I just wanted to share them with you guys. If you have any questions at all, please give me a please leave a comment below. I do this every time, and I'm always determined that I am not going to edit them out, because why? Why edit them out? We're human, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video today. Next week is super busy. I'm hoping to get a video up before I go. We are actually taking a little trip to Disney World for my daughter's 16th birthday. So if you would like to see any footage from that, let me know below, and I can shoot up a quick video while we're there. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. And also welcome to my new subscribers. I've noticed that it is climbing, and I do appreciate that so much as I build my channel. You guys all have a wonderful day and enjoy your cold and snow and all wherever you are. I'm still battling the heat here in Florida. See you soon.